Okay, here we have a 1969 Corvette Convertible. It's a matching numbers car, and it comes with both the hard and the soft tops. The car has its original white exterior color with blue interior. All the exterior chrome has been replaced.
Corvette Stingray GP. Announcement miles of 10 on the Florida title. A classic underscore Stingray GP. Automatic range, full power, original engine, the drivetrain. This model is very collectible and getting more rare every day.
Let's look at the engine. They install like an L88 style hood. These things are heavy usually. Oh yeah. But it has a 350 V8.